Hi guys, in front of me HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 PaperMatte, and now I'm going to show you how to enable split screen, how to use split screen on this device. So guys, it's very easy to do. For example, I want to open a web browser on the left side of my screen and e-reader on the right? So how to do that? Just swipe from down to the, for example, if you want to open this application to the left corner, so to the left corner. Cool. Now select the second app you want to open, for example, Notes app. That's it guys. Now as you can see, I have one app on the right side and second one on the left, and I can resize them. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.